Okay, children, we are learning additions. So, in the additions, we'll enter by using 100 charts or exploring by dividing the number, like that we'll enter. And now we have to do the additions in our own method. In our own method means what we have practiced in the previous classes. That is the method we have to adapt now. So, first open page number 28. Page number 28, and in that observe bit number 4. Page number 28, bit number 4. So what is the fourth bit? Do these sums by using the method you like the best. Do these sums by using the method you like the best. So whatever the method, if you like that method, you use that method and solve the problems. So example, the first problem is this. What is the first problem in this? 17 plus 49. So I said one method, by breaking these numbers. 17 means 10 plus 7, 49 means what? 40 plus 9. By dividing, we can solve. Otherwise, if you want to do like this, then no problem, do like this also. 17 plus 49. Solve it. How can we solve? 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 means how much? 7 plus 9, just count yourself, and how much you will get? 16. 7 plus 9, how much? 16. So when you are getting a double digit number, then write the 6 here first. Okay, we have written the 6 here. Now how much remain? 1. The 1 should be written here. This is carry. This is called as a carry. Okay, if you get a 2-digit number by adding these two, then what we have to do? Write the first digit here and second digit upon the first one. That is called what? Carry. Now add all these numbers. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, how much? 6. So what is the sum of these two numbers? 66. Okay, in second class you will enter the additions in this way. So do like that. Next, the second problem in this is 45 plus 26. 45 plus 26. What is the answer for this? So again take it. 45 plus how much? 26. First add these two numbers. We have to start from the right side. From the ending you should start the addition and come to the first position. So first 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 how much? 5 plus 5 10. 5 plus 6 how much? 11. So 11 means what we have to do? Write 1 here, and another one is carried. Carried means upon 4 you should write. Okay. The first number you write here and the second number you write at the top of this. Then 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 how much? 5. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7. So what is the answer we are getting? 71 is the answer. In this way, solve the problems which are in the fourth bit of first exercise. Okay, exercise 2.1, fourth bit problems are there in page number 28. Solve them by using this kind of method. Right? Now next. What is next? 3-digit additions. So we learned the 2-digit additions till now. Now the addition of 3 digits. How we have to add the 3-digit additional? First example, one number is given. What is that? 315 plus 368. This is one problem given. 315 plus 368. How many digits are there? Both are 3-digit numbers only. So add them. How can you add? First 315 plus 368. Write them like this. Now add. From which side we have to add? From the ones places. This is ones and this is tens and this is hundreds. So from the ones place you should start additions. Okay? How much? First one 5, 8. 5 plus 8. How much we will get? 5 plus 8. Count and say. 5 plus 8 is nothing but how much? 13. So already I said, if you get a 2-digit number here, what you have to do? Write this one. Write the last number here. How much it is? 3. And now again 1 is there. What is that? It is ones. 1 is in which place? It is ones place. It is in tens place. So write it in tens place. Means carry. Okay, write like this. This is called what? Carry. Okay. Now add them. 1 plus 1. How much? 2. 2 plus 6. So do the additions. 2 plus 6. How much? 8. We are getting only one number. So write that one number directly. 8. And now this is completed. And third row, 100th row. 3 plus 3. How much? 6. So what is the total of these two numbers? It is 683. Okay. So next, like the same, next one. What is the next one we will do? 404. Try this problem is there in the same page, page number 30. 404 plus 219 plus 153. Asked us to find the sum of these three numbers. How can we do? First add these numbers. Which numbers? In the ones place. Add these numbers first. 4 plus 9. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 4 plus 9 how much? 13. 13 plus 3. 13 plus 3 means what we will get? 16 we will get. Okay. You are getting a 2-digit number. Then what we have to do? Write 6 here and 1. Where we have to write 1? 1 should carry right over this. Now 1 plus 1. How much? 2. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 what? 7. So this is 7. 1-digit number right directly. Next one. 4 plus 2. 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So what is the sum of these three numbers? 776. So this is the method which we have learned in the previous year. So this is easy to you. So do the problems of exercise 2.2 in this way. Okay. Observe the first bit problems of exercise 2.2 and solve them in this method. Example 1 problem I am doing. First bit A. What is that? 529 plus 317. What is the sum of these two numbers? First one, what we have to add? 9 and 7. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7, how much? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 9 plus 7, how much means 16? Then what we have to write? 6 here and 1 should be carried. Next, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, how much? 4. Next, 5 plus 3, 8. So in this way, solve them. Which one? Exercise 2.2 first bit problems. Do your own by in the rough notebook.